how to change Netflix payment method. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the payment method on your Netflix account so you can change to a different credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Netflix app, then select My Netflix in the bottom menu. Once on My Netflix, select the little drop down next to your name in the top left, and then select Account. Once in Account, up at the top where it says you've got options, select Go to netflix.com/more. And then it might give you a little warning saying you're leaving the app and going to the browser, so select Continue. And then in here, select Manage Account. You then just need to log into your Netflix account. Once you get logged in, select Manage Payment Method. And then in here, scroll down a little bit and you can see all the payment methods currently on your account. The preferred one is the one that will be charged the next time that they charge you. So if you have multiple, you can select the drop down on another one that's not your preferred, and you can make it preferred by selecting Make Preferred. Additionally, you can remove payment methods by selecting the three dots and selecting Remove. If you want to add a new payment method, select Change Payment Method, and then you can add either a credit card or debit card or a PayPal account. You can also use a gift card, something like that. So those are the ways to change your payment method on Netflix. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.